following Elon Musk's underlined announcement of the New York Times for distributing a phony survey of the Tesla Model S electric auto. He has now distributed the genuine logs recorded by the auto, and kid are they accursing. To put it plainly, the NIT's John Broder tried to pass off a flagrant deception to spread electric vehicles by and large, and the Model S in particular. The essential preface of John Broder's story for the Times was that the auto lied about its self-announced assessed remaining extent, when it said there was 79 miles left in the batteries. There was in established truth just 60. In the long run, after a couple of such instances of the onboard PC distorting the assessed go, and obviously through no blame of his own, his Model S came up short on juice and must be towed to the closest charging station. The vehicle's logs, distributed today by Elon Musk, recount an altogether different story. The logs demonstrate that Broder deliberately neglected to charge his auto legitimately, and even drove around a parking garage trying to deplete the auto's battery. In spite of asserting to set journey control at 54 miles per hour and killing the warmth to moderate battery life, the logs demonstrate that Broder did not one or the other. Rather, he turned the warmth up to 74 23C, and drove at speeds in the vicinity of 65 and 81 miles per hour for the majority of the trek. It shows signs of improvement. As indicated by Tesla's logs, Broder's Model S never really came up short on battery, including when he got out a tow truck. Doubtlessly Broder totally manufactured that segment of the story, just to fuel the flares of electric range uneasiness. It is not necessarily the case that Broder didn't attempt to run the auto level. He drove around a little parking garage in Milford, Connecticut for 0.6 miles while the auto revealed to him he had 0 miles remaining. At the point when the auto declined to buy at the dust, he in the end made a beeline for the Milford supercharging office. Talking about charging, not once did Broder energize his Model S completely. Amid his second energize, regardless of running into save control on the pass leg, 5 miles remaining, he purposely quit charging at 72%. He likewise lied about to what extent the second revive kept going. The story says 58 minutes, however the logs indicate 47 minutes. At the third revive point, where he asserted he came up short on battery, he didn't. He halted the energize at 28%. It surely appears as though he was making a decent attempt to influence the Model S to fall flat. Past the cursing logs, Elon Musk additionally accepts the open door to advise us that the Model S is genuinely a remarkable auto. Truly, electric autos endure in chilly climates. However, Musk reveals to us that Norway and Switzerland are both huge clients of Tesla autos. The Model S has been driven through Death Valley and on a track of unadulterated ice in Minnesota, but then a NIT columnist by the name of John Broder was unequipped for a lackadaisical drive from DC to New York. That Tesla has manufactured an electric auto equipped for driving 300 miles, at a maximum speed of 130 miles per hour, with a 0-60 of 4.4 seconds, is very shocking. It will be exceptionally intriguing to perceive how the Times reacts to Musk's cases. It's conceivable that the logs were manufactured, yet when you think about Broder's adoration for big oil and his open dislike for electric vehicles, I am genuinely sure that withdrawals will be made and heads will roll.